Your brain loves bad habits. Not because you're lazy, not because you're weak, and not because you lack discipline. It loves them because bad habits are fast, familiar, and rewarding. That late-night scrolling, that junk food craving, that habit you keep promising you'll quit starting tomorrow. Your brain doesn't label these as bad, it labels them as efficient. And once you understand how your brain really works, breaking bad habits stops feeling impossible and starts feeling predictable. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total energy. That's a huge amount for an organ that only weighs a few pounds. So your brain evolved to conserve energy whenever possible. That's where habits come in. Habits are shortcuts. They allow your brain to repeat actions without spending extra mental effort. Once a behavior becomes a habit, your brain puts it on autopilot. No thinking, no decision-making, no resistance. It doesn't matter if the habit is good or bad. Your brain treats them the same. Efficient behavior is valuable behavior, at least to your brain.
Most people think dopamine makes you feel good, but that's not exactly true. Dopamine is the anticipation chemical. It spikes before pleasure, not after. It's what creates craving. Your brain releases dopamine when it expects a reward, not when it receives one. Fast rewards trigger dopamine the hardest. Social media likes, sugary food, fast entertainment, quick distractions. These rewards arrive instantly with almost zero effort. Your brain loves that. It doesn't care about long-term health. It doesn't care about future consequences. It cares about speed. If something delivers dopamine quickly, your brain marks it as important. And once that happens, it wants it again. Good habits usually have delayed rewards. Exercise feels uncomfortable now, but helps later. Healthy food tastes boring at first, but pays off over time. Bad habits? They pay instantly. The brain connects three things: a cue, a behavior, a reward. Repeat that loop enough times and the habit becomes automatic. No motivation required. That's why bad habits feel effortless and good habits feel like work. It's not a personality flaw. It's basic brain wiring. When you're stressed, your brain switches into survival mode. In that mode, logic takes a back seat. The brain stops experimenting and leans on familiar behaviors. That's why people relapse under stress. Not because they failed, but because the brain is trying to reduce discomfort as fast as possible. Stress strengthens bad habits because they already feel safe and predictable. Your brain thinks it's helping, even when it's not. Here's something most people don't realize. You can't just remove a bad habit, because habits don't leave empty space. If you quit a habit without replacing it, your brain feels a gap, and it hates gaps, so it pulls you back. That's why willpower alone doesn't work. The brain demands replacement. You don't delete habits, you overwrite them. You don't beat bad habits by fighting your brain. You beat them by designing around it. Make bad habits harder to reach. Make good habits easier to start. Change your environment. Delay the reward. Lower the friction. And most importantly, replace the habit. Same cue. New behavior. Similar reward. That's how habits actually change. Your brain isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it evolved to do. The problem is we live in a world packed with instant rewards our brains were never designed to handle. Once you understand that, bad habits stop feeling like personal failures and start feeling like a system you can finally control.
If you like this kind of videos, do subscribe our channel, A2 Curio.